Minasan, Nihongo courseへようこそ. Hello and welcome to another class with this Japanese for Beginners course. It's your teacher Rosie again, and I'm so excited about today because we will learn a lot of new vocabulary. But before that, I would like us to practice what we have learned in the previous lesson. So let's have a short review, or as we call it in Japanese, fukushu. So I will repeat every word twice. Are you ready? Let's go. 1月1月2月2月3月3月4月4月5月5月6月6月7月7月8月8月9月9月10月10月11月11月12月12月1日1日2日2日3日3日4日4日5日5日6日6日7日7日8日8日9日9日10日10日誕生日誕生日月曜日月曜日火曜日火曜日水曜日水曜日木曜日木曜日金曜日金曜日土曜日土曜日日曜日日曜日 Very good. Now, today we will learn how to call different colors in Japanese, how to name animals. We will learn names of a lot of objects and things, and we will learn how to ask the question whose. Now, without further ado, are you ready? Let's do this. So we will start from things or objects. Mono, mono, mono. Car, kuruma, kuruma, kuruma. Book, hon, hon, hon. Pen, 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 pen. Chair, isu, isu, isu. Table, teburu, teburu, teburu. Bag, kaban, kaban, kaban. Ball, boru, boru, boru. Now, how do we call colors or color in Japanese? It's iro, iro, iro. So how do we ask what color is it in Japanese? We would say it like this. Nani iro desu ka? Nani iro desu ka? Nani means what in Japanese. Iro means color. Des means is, and ka is a question particle. So what color is it? Let's start from blue. Ao, ao, or aoi. So we have e in brackets because it can also be used as an adjective, e adjective. Okay? And I want to tell you one thing, that Japanese people sometimes use this color to describe what is color green for us. For example, the green light of a traffic light or the greenness of the grass. So this might be a little bit confusing. So it's green and blue at the same time, okay? Red, aka, aka or akai. Yellow, kiro, kiro or kiroi. Black, kuro, kuro or kuroi. White, shiro, shiro or shiroi. The real green would be midori, midori, midori. Brown would be chairo, chairo, chairo. Purple, murasaki, murasaki. Pink, pink, pink. Gray, hairo, hairo. Orange, 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 orange. Now let's practice. Let's do renshu, renshu in Japanese. So take a look at all of these colors and try to remember how would we call them in Japanese, okay? I will give you 10 seconds to remember all the names of these colors. If you need more time, feel free to pause or listen here. But I think it's a very, very good way to try to memorize colors, okay? Okay, so let's check. Aoi, akai, kiro or kiroi, midori, chairo, murasaki, pink, kuroi. Here it should be shiroi, hairo, and orange, orange. So I want to remind you one more time that colors ending in I, they can be treated as adjectives, as e-adjectives, okay? Now let's do a little practice. I have some things written here in English and I would like you to think how could you say it in Japanese, okay? I will give you 5 seconds to think about it and then we will check our answer, okay? So red car. Akai kuruma, akai kuruma. Very good. Yellow pen. Kiroi pen, kiroi pen. Black book. Kuroi hon, kuroi hon. White ball. Shiroi boru, shiroi boru. Red wine. This will be an exception, but I want you just to try to guess how could we say it in Japanese. Aka wine, aka wine. So this is a set. So with wine, word wine, red color will always be aka, aka, not akai. Another exception, black cat. Kuroneko, kuroneko. So it's not kuroi neko, it's kuroneko. And now let's read some example sentences. Kusa wa ao desu. Kusa wa ao desu. Kusa in Japanese means grass, so as for grass, it is green. Take a look here. Ao, we use not midori. we use our color blue/green, and we don't use it fully. We don't use aoi. We just say ao, ao desu. Our next sentence is ao shingo, ao shingo. Shingo is a traffic light in Japanese. So green traffic light would be ao shingo. Again, we would use color ao, and we wouldn't say aoi. We would say ao, ao. And now let's learn about animals, or doubutsu, doubutsu, doubutsu. Cat, neko, neko, neko. Dog, inu, inu, inu. Bird, tori, tori, tori. Elephant, zo, zo, zo. Lion, shishi, shishi. Rayon, rayon. So you can choose which one you want to use. Bear, kuma, kuma, kuma. Bear, kuma, kuma, kuma. Horse, uma, uma, uma. Tiger, tora, tora, tora. Turtle, kame, kame, kame. Pig, butta, butta, butta. Cow, ushi, ushi, ushi. And now let's learn how to ask the question whose. So who in Japanese is dare, 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 and no is a possessive particle. It means that something belongs to someone. So if we add no to dare, it becomes dare no, whose. And if we want to ask whose something is it, we need to say dare no something desu ka? Dare no desu ka? So let's try to make questions with the nouns that we already know and that we have learned in this lesson, okay? How could we ask, whose cat is it? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Dare no neko desu ka? Dare no neko desu ka? Whose car is it? Dare no kuruma desu ka? Dare no kuruma desu ka? Whose dog is it? Dare no inu desu ka? Dare no inu desu ka? Whose turtle is it? Dare no kame desu ka? Dare no kame desu ka? Whose chair is it? Dare no isu desu ka? Dare no isu desu ka? Whose bag is it? Dare no kaban desu ka? Dare no kaban desu ka? Whose book is it? Dare no hon desu ka? Dare no hon desu ka? Whose pen is it? Dare no pen desu ka? Dare no pen desu ka? Whose tiger is it? Dare no tora desu ka? Dare no tora desu ka? Very good. You have done a very, very good job with these exercises. And let's review right now what we have learned in this lesson, all of our vocabulary, okay? Mono, mono, kuruma, kuruma, hon, hon, pen, pen, isu, isu, テーブル、テーブル、カバン、カバン、ボール、ボール、色、色、青い、青い、赤い、赤い、黄色 or 黄色い、黒 or 黒い、白 or 白い、緑、緑、茶色、茶色、紫、紫、ピンク、ピンク、灰色、灰色、オレンジ、オレンジ、動物、動物、猫、猫、犬、犬、鳥、鳥、象、象、獅子 or ライオン、熊、熊、馬、馬、虎、虎、亀、亀、豚、豚、牛、牛。お疲れ様です。You have really worked so hard in this lesson. You've learned a lot of vocabulary. So please take your time to review it by yourself and to take your time to process it all, okay? おめでとうございます。Congratulations, and I'll see you in our next lesson. またね。